Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to fix your Apple Pay account if it's locked or restricted in 2025. So, step 1. First that you want to do is try restarting your iPhone or iPad. A reboot can fix temporary system glitches. If that doesn't work, you can go to step 2. Go to your settings and then Wallet and Apple Pay and check if there are any error messages or pending verifications. Step 3. Open your Apple ID settings and ensure your billing and shipping info is up to date because incorrect details can trigger restrictions. Step 4. If prompted, re-verify your identity. You can go to your settings and then your name and then payment and shipping and follow the verification prompts. Step 5. If you are still restricted, you can open the Apple Support application or visit support.apple.com and request help for Apple Pay restrictions. You may need to provide documents to verify your identity. Avoid making multiple failed transaction attempts as that may prolong the lockout period. And that's it. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.